Good morning everyone. Welcome you to your online science class preparatory. Hi. Hello all of you. Good morning. Okay students, now everybody are ready for your science class. How many are present here? Just write down P for your present purpose. Okay students? We will just everybody those who are present class P, write down P for present here. Okay? So, Afrin Khatun, Asma, Abhrodip, Brintika, Devansh, Mriganko, Nivedita, Sanchayan, Trayambak. You will just write down each and everybody P for present in the chat box. Okay? Shrestha is also now here. Okay. Everybody write down P for present now. Okay. Very good for me. Thank you. And now we will start a new lesson today. Before that, just we'll do activity. Thereafter, we will learn just like you. ঠিক তোমাদের মতো ছোট্ট ছোট্ট activity করে নিয়ে আমরা একটা নিউ কিছু একটা শিখব নিউ একদম নতুন কিছু একটা ওকে স্টুডেন্টস সো হোয়াট ইউ উইল ডু নাও ইউ উইল ডোন্ট ওয়েস্ট ইওর টাইম অর ডোন্ট ওয়েস্ট আওয়ার টাইম আমাদের টাইম ওয়েস্ট না করে আমরা কি করব উই উইল জাস্ট টেক পেন্সিল পেপার দ্যাট মিন্স সায়েন্স কপি অ্যান্ড eraser okay just write down class work date left side of your copy okay left side of your copy write down classwork and date put you just use CW and date CW and date today is 6/1/21 okay 6/1/21 just write down here now put also the heading useful animals. Put the heading in your science copy, okay? And next you will do match. Not only match we will do today, we will do circle the correct at first. Circle the correct. 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 Circle the correct. Okay? Circle the correct. What we will do? Circle the correct. Now, we will do at first, we will write down and drawing something. I'll just now do left side more than from here. Okay. Who I'll just do now. Here you will do two picture of what are these? What are these? Tell me at first. What are these? These are what? Yes, eggs. Very good. Eggs. Very good. Now I'll just then you here do this one. That means okay. And now you will do hen or cow. Which one is correct? Circle the correct. Who gives us eggs? Which one is correct? Eggs. From where we get egg? Hen or cow? Hen or cow? Which one is correct? Hen or cow? Everybody give me the answer. Afrin, Parveen also give me the answer. Already somebody written the answer in the chat box also, just like Nivedita, Shanchayan, Asma, Devansh, Shrestha. Okay, then Asma, okay, Mriganko is also there, Nivedita again, okay. So many names, Brintika is also there, Shrestha, Devansh. Already, I'll just write down here that name, circle the correct. Which one is? So, who gives us egg? Hen, cow. You have write down hen, so I circle it here. That means who gives us egg? Hen here. Now number 2, you will also do in your copy. This one also do in your copy. There is, can you tell me? Can you tell me? This is a glass. Now everybody can see the board. Those who have problem, kindly, Abhradeep, you just kindly cut the call, then you will join. Maybe thereafter you can see. Yes, like this. Okay. Okay, Troyambok, it is okay. Just you will do like this. Draw the picture, then you will do. What is this? This is the glass full of. Bintika, you also can't see the board. You will just cut the call, then you will join. Yes, milk. Very good. Milk. This is milk. Very good. So, now I'll just give some options. Okay? Just like rabbit, cow. Which one is the correct answer now? Who gives us milk? Rabbit or cow? Okay, students. Oh, wow. Now, Asma, Shanchayan, Devansh, Nivedita, Shutanbi, and those who are typing now, Abhradeep, okay, Mriganko, okay. Thereafter, Brintika, Shutanbi, cow picture also, Shrestha, okay, all you are, Asma, okay, cow, very good. Now I circle also here the cow, okay. So, that means hen gives us egg and cow gives us milk, and some also animals are there, okay. Now again I'll do here something. I'll draw just here now one cart, okay. Okay. Now this is This is one type of cart. This is one type of cart. That means একটা গাড়ি. That means those carry loads. যেগুলো load carry করে. Now I'll give the option that is horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, or you just write down here rat. Who carry loads? Who carry loads? Brintika, you can't see. Again, Brintika, have any problem? Better some. Okay, I'm visible to everybody. Yes or no? Somebody will say I'm visible or not. Can you see me, students? Okay, everybody are writing yes. So this is horse, horse, horse. Everybody are writing horse. Yes, this is the correct answer, and all you will write down that is yes, horse. So those animals carry load for us. This is horse. Everybody are correct. Afrin Khatuni, you will also typing something. Okay, you will type. I'm just wait for you. So Devans, Mriganko, Asma, Sanchayan, Shrestha, Nivedita, Aprodip, Trayambak, everybody are writing. Okay, that is horse. So I circle here now. Horse. That means 3 circle the correct we have completed. Okay, Sanchayan. Now what we'll do, I've not rubbed this one. We learn the animal's name. Already we learned the animal's name, and we learned some animals are domestic, some animals are wild, some are useful, some are pet animal, farm animal. So many varieties we have already. You can't see me. Afrin Khatun, just you cut the call, then you will join. Thereafter you can see me properly. Okay? So now what we will do, you know. We will do, that is, we know the animal's name. Now, আমরা animal's name তো শিখে নিয়েছি। আচ্ছা বলো তো, তোমরা যে এই কিউট বেবি, you all are cute babies. তোমরা যেমন কিউট বেবি, এই যে তোমরা যখন রাস্তা দিয়ে ঘোরো, when you will move from on the road or beside your house, you see some puppies there. কোনো puppies দেখেছো? Yes or no? Write down only yes or no. Yes, elephant is also the ones that is also carry loads. I'm giving here 2 options. Okay, have you seen any puppies? Or kitten? বিড়াল ছানা দেখেছো? Or kitten? Or cow baby দেখেছো? Calf? Yes, all we have seen that one. All already babies আমরা দেখেছি। Just like you, তোমরা যেমন ছোট বেবি, দেখবি সব অ্যানিমালসদেরও ছোট বেবি আছে। ওকে, জাস্ট লাইক ইয়োর মাদার অ্যান্ড ইউ। আমরা যেমন ছোট, তোমরা যখন ছোট আছো, তোমরাও একসময় বড় হয়ে যাবে। ইউ উইল বি নাও আফটার সাম ইয়ার্স, ইউ উইল বি অলসো জাস্ট লাইক এল্ডার, তোমরাও বড় হয়ে যাবে। সো নাও we learn, here we have lesson number 19. We learn that is, today we learn something that is animal babies. Okay, babies. We learn some names only. You will also learn verbally now. Okay, so all animals have babies. All animals have babies. Small animal or big animal, whatever it is, all they have babies. We learn something about all animals and their baby's name. Okay, we learn only animals or some baby's name. Just we start with, beside from our house, আমাদের বাড়ির ঠিক পাশে আমরা কি দেখি? Dog, cat. Dog, cat. Okay, now today we learn only 2 names. First is dog. D-O-G, dog. First we learn the name, that is dog. And dog baby is called puppy. So, Puppy. This is the verbal, but after that I will tell you to do the spellings also. At first you will do just a dog, puppy. Dog baby is called puppy. Dog, puppy. Okay? Dog baby is called, yes, puppy. Small baby, they are called puppy. Variety in colors. White, brown, black. And cat baby is called, now I am right here, C-A-T, cat. And cat baby is called kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. So cat baby is called kitten. So kitten, spelling you will write down or you will learn puppy and kitten. Dog, puppy and cat, kitten. Okay? So this is only 2 names you will learn. Lesson number 19, page number 47. Okay? Today's class up to this much. Again we will meet with another class. Okay? Till now, tata and enjoy your days.